Welcome to Sambal Cook. Today's recipe is creamy pasta. You take a pan and you put it on low heat. You add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 garlic cloves. Then you add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and you mix everything together. Then you add 2 cups of cold milk or warm milk and you keep on stirring until soft. Then you add your salt and pepper to your taste. Then you add 1 cup of shredded cheese and you mix everything together until the sauce becomes creamy. Now add 1 liter of water to another pan, add some salt and a bit of oil. Bring it to a boil and add 200 grams of penne pasta. Reduce the heat, simmer for 9 minutes, stir occasionally, then drain it well when it's ready. Now gradually add your cooked pasta to the creamy sauce. Mix it really well. When ready, add some oregano to add some more taste to it. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.